Welcome to the 2026 Los Angeles Youth Count training. Thank you for being a part of this important effort. Over the next few modules, you'll learn everything you need to know to successfully participate in this year's Youth Count. Whether you're a hub site lead, surveyor, or volunteer, your role is essential to making sure young people experiencing homelessness in LA are accurately counted and their needs are understood. This training consists of 6 online modules with 6 quizzes. We recommend that you review the Youth Count 2026 training manual before and during this training. Everything is available at youthcount.org/training. In this first module, we'll talk about what is a youth count and why does it matter. Every year, communities across the country conduct a point-in-time count, which is mandated by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. This count directly influences how much federal and state funding flows to youth homelessness services in Los Angeles. It shapes local policy decisions and helps us understand where gaps exist in our service system. But here's the challenge. Young people experiencing homelessness are often the hardest to count. They may couch surf, avoid shelters, or stay in locations where traditional outreach doesn't reach them. When youth are undercounted, their needs become invisible to policymakers. The data you help collect will directly influence where resources go. It determines federal and state funding allocations for youth homelessness services. It guides how resources are distributed across the 8 service planning areas in LA County. It helps us understand which subpopulations, like LGBTQ+ youth and youth aging out of foster care, are most affected. And it informs prevention and early intervention programs. When you administer a survey, you're not just collecting data, you're helping ensure that young people's experiences shape how our community responds. The 2026 Youth Count is a collaborative effort. The University of Southern California provides methodological oversight, data management, and analysis. Young People to the Front, or YP2F, manages hub site coordination, training, and day-to-day data collection support. They're your main point of contact. The Los Angeles Homeless Services Authority, LAHSA, serves as a lead agency. We also have methodological guidance from researchers at UCLA and University of Washington, including Dr. Zach Almquist, who pioneered this approach in King County, Washington. We want to be upfront. 2026 is a transition year. We're introducing a completely new methodology for the first time. This change didn't happen overnight. It's grounded in years of advocacy from providers who raised concerns over the previous method's burden and its tendency to undercount youth. Your participation and feedback this year will directly shape how we improve the process for 2027 and beyond. We're all learning together and we're committed to adapting as we go. To summarize, the Youth Count matters because it determines funding and shapes policy. Young people experiencing homelessness have been systematically undercounted, and the 2026 count introduces a new methodology specifically designed to address this. Your participation in this Youth Count directly impacts the lives of young people across Los Angeles. Next up, you'll complete a short quiz to check your understanding, and then we'll dive into the new methodology in Module 2.